Oh, it's got dual exhaust. This is fantastic. All right, here we go. 1978 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ55 Iron Pig. This is going to be one heck of a project, but wanted to start it off here and show you guys. Had her for a week, cleaned her out a little bit, and on to digging into it a little bit. So you can see she's got quite a bit of rust, but we've got some new panels for all this stuff. So we will see, but this is the beginning of a long journey. Gotta love it when the fender's just flopping there. Yeah, so here she is. Sat out in the field quite a long time. Cleaned her up last week, so she's in much better shape than she was. Had some kind of seat cover that was on here. We'll see how clean we can get these seats, but probably have to reupholster them anyway. There's probably a lot of mouse pee that's holding that stuff on, which is lovely. But she's pretty complete, which is nice. Super cool steering wheel. Other cruisers are a little bit earlier, so they don't have this, but yeah, all the goodies. Air conditioning. Gotta love this wooden shifter. That's coming off for sure, but always a Colorado car. Been to Guatemala 3 times, apparently. Here's a picture of the headliner. Mouse definitely got in there, so who knows how much damage they inflicted, but I think the headliner is the least of my concerns right now. Definitely we're living in the seats, but here's a nice little surprise. Oh yeah, lovely. Just gonna need some new pans down there. So metal work will be done, but we'll see. We'll see, guys. I've got some new door pads the previous owner gave me. Yeah, gotta love that. Little roof rust. Door shut pretty good. Looking at the positives. Back seat is actually in really good shape. I know there's some mice who have lived in here, so we'll see how that goes. But still, even this original mat on the bottom, which is pretty cool. Pull that off, clean it up. See how it looks afterwards. Back of the seat looks great though, huh? Kind of crazy. There's definitely some good things on this pig that was the reason that I bought it, but also has a lot of work to be done. So I'll take a video of this in here because I can't get the back to open up as of yet. Previous owner had this nice little box made. Still has some shotgun shells in there. Kind of crazy. But yeah, we'll be working to get that back tailgate open. See, closes nice and secure. Here's just a little bit of rust, just a teeny little bit. Definitely need to find a good fabricator, that's for sure. So this area is going in the trash. We got another tailgate that came with it. I don't know if it's brand new, but it's definitely been refurbed and there's no rust on it. At least what is visible. Gonna need, so one of those taillights is good over here, which is wonderful. Probably have to pull this guy off and save it because I don't know if we can get another one of those. Haven't seen anywhere I've looked, but also haven't looked too hard. Here's the original green paint, which is pretty cool. It used to be a green truck. We'll see what we end up painting her at the end. Thinking maybe a silver. I thought white originally, but silver may be the way to go. Let's see if we can sneak in here. That's lovely. I don't know if that'll clean up or if that needs to be fixed. Not a rust expert. Here's your tourist tag from 1988 when she went down to Guatemala. Here's another great piece on there too that's gonna need to have some serious fab work done. Look how tight that door is though, man. Count the blessings. Let's see how this looks down here. Some rust, but I don't know. We'll see if any of this cleans up. I don't know, guys. No jack. It'd be nice if I had that. Maybe we can find it somewhere. Ooh, Brody. Some rust over there. Hoping that will clean up, but I have no idea. We will see. Cross your fingers. It's gonna be a lot of work. Oh yeah, how about that fender? Woof. We've got a couple new ones, don't worry. New piece here too. We'll be set. One mirror, it's not broken. Gotta love it. Got a new panel in here too, so it'll be good. And again, let's see the rest up front. Yummy. Here's a hole. Oh, I guess that was factory hole. But yes. I don't know. Need your help. You guys gotta tell me what you think. This stuff is super cool. Original radio, right? Gotta love it. Little altimeter up there too. Some gear shifting instructions. And some miscellaneous goodies in here. Still has the original owner's manual, all that kind of good stuff, which is pretty sweet. A little spot for the light, which it actually does still have that original light. It's in the back. All right. Yeah, look at that. It's gonna be tough. I don't know. Got faith. We'll be good. All right, let's check out the engine real quick. One more quick little shot here. Love that grill. Just kidding. Love to be able to take these off. That looks like it's come off pretty easy. Oh, I'll do it right after this video. Get out of here, man. We don't want that on there. All right. Oh, need another windshield wiper. Search of that. Still here. Here's a quick shot. Toyota glass, baby. There you go. All right. So not the original motor. Do that one-handed. All right, here we go, a little small block Chevy. So I guess the original owner yanked the 2F out right when it got off warranty. So this is a 2-owner truck. Second owner was the mechanic who did all this work. So it's got a little small block in there, made in Mexico. But yeah, she actually runs and drives. I'd got to do a startup video on another time when I actually get a battery in here. Yeah, so today hopefully gonna go out and get an air filter and just start cleaning her. But this is how she looked coming out of a field. She runs. Like I said, that'll be for another video, but here you go. All the glory. Really got to start digging into it. But that's it. So let the pig build commence. Thanks for watching.